girl Brown Barbie, back at it again with another video. So today I'm going to be showing you guys how to do a side swoop, side ponytail bun. So let's just get right into it. You're going to need some water in a water bottle. You're going to need a boar bristle brush. You're going to need an edge control or edge baby hair brush. You're going to need a comb. And you're going to need some edge control. Now look, okay? Look, don't come for me. I'm running out of Eco Styler, but this is all I had. I was trying out this on my wash and go, so this is really all I have. We're gonna do what it do, okay? I do like the gel, don't get me wrong, I like the gel. However, it's not Eco Styler. I don't know why people make it seem like it's such a supplement that is just gonna replace everything, and Eco Styler is just gone, because it's not. Like, I'll do, if you guys want me to do a review on the gel, I'll do a review on the gel, but if not, like, there's already plenty. Like, that's another reason why I just didn't bother. There's already plenty. So I didn't feel like I needed to, like, everything that probably has been said already, you can find online. It's not very necessary. So what you're gonna do first, like as you see me doing right now, I'm just wetting my hair, making it pliable in order to like move around, just because it's a literal nest right now and it's just a fucking mess. So wetting your hair down, and it's gonna make it easier to like apply the product to and just move around in general. So we're just gonna, with your fingers, you can try and already start where your part is going to be, just to avoid some breakage or anything like that. Just so, not that your hair should just break off while you're doing this, but just to avoid some if you have sensitive hair or whatever. My hair is pretty fine. So what you're going to do first, and this takes me a couple of tries, okay? I'm not even gonna lie to you. It takes me either it'll take me a good 5 minutes to do my bun, or it'll take me a good like 25, 30 minutes. Like, there's really no in between. It's just some days are better than others. Like, I feel like that's with a lot of natural hair hairstyles. Some days are really just better than others. They just want to put on another wig, but I'm trying to give my hair a little break from being in braids. So I'm just gonna shut up and watch you, or let you guys watch me do this, and I'm just gonna speed this part up.
So I'm just gonna do a voiceover for this part because I didn't feel like it was necessary for me to just be a chatty Cathy as I normally am in all of my videos. So I'm just doing a little juice part. You can do a regular straight side part. I just prefer a juice part just because I like the way it frames my face. So yeah, just do whatever part that you feel is necessary, whatever is cute on you, and just go from there, boo.
So right there was good enough for me. I'm not gonna go any further just because, I mean, I'm not going nowhere special. So right now I'm just about to wet down. This is where the tricky part comes in. Just getting everything to be as slick as possible. So now I'm about to start taking, we're gonna deal with this later. So we're just gonna, ooh. Spread some water in there. Like, my hair is super tangled. You can go ahead and detangle yours right now, or say if you're doing yours on wash and go hair like how I'm doing. But I don't care to do all of that because I just want to, at this point I'm tired of the top knot, so a regular bun it is. So I'm just gonna take this and like section this off so I can focus on laying everything out.
So from here, I'm just sectioning off my hair so it'll be easier to deal with just because I have a lot of hair.
So you're just gonna apply product where you want it to slip down. So I'm gonna go in with my big brush first and just kind of move that, and just, you don't really have to put gel in the back. Some people do, I don't. And just slick that down.
Once again, you'll see me working in sections. I do a lot of that whenever I do my natural hair. So I'm just going section by section, as you see when I sectioned off earlier. And just going through, putting the gel, doing it in smaller increments makes it easier, and it's gonna make for a flawless side ponytail.
Brushing and combing and brushing everything back. Also brush it up in the back, like where your kitchen, whatever that is. Let's just call it the kitchen. All right, so I'm gonna take this little part, this little section right here, gel down that part, gel this down, and just brush it down. And just brush, and brush, and brush, and brush, and brush, and brush.
And you still see me moving slowly on that part just because you want this part to lay super, super flat. You don't want any bumps, any crevices. You want it to lay super flat on your head and look for a very nice, sleek look.
And this is just how I do my buns. If you think this is too much product, like I said, don't leave no hate in the comment, just use less product. So you see, like, this is what you're going for. You see how it's slowly starting to like take form and looking like an actual side part and not just hella gel down here. So this is where you can start like actually like forming your bun. And like you see how it's like spreading out. I really hate how that looks. So then I'm gonna go in with a smaller board bristle brush and just trying to fill in those gaps.
And now you just see me, I'm just trying to fix that line. I like it to go just really diagonal straight across my head, almost touching my eyebrows. Depending on how you like your side part and where you want it to flow, you can tailor it to what your needs are, but that's just how I like my side part, so that's how I'm doing it. And I'm really a perfectionist when it comes to my bun, so I was taking forever with this part.
Jane Marsh and some groovy shit.
Okay, so we're done with that. And now everything else is just pretty self-explanatory. You're just gonna form your bun. I have an actual, I used to use a sock. You can definitely just use a sock. But I have an actual bun former now. So, and I just got mine from Forever 21. So you're just gonna take that and just spread that out. I can show you guys what I'm doing in the back. I'm not the type, I'm not gonna moisturize this or put any like, I'm just not gonna do, like, I'm really just gonna put it in a fucking bun. Like, some people be trying to like enhance their curls or whatever, like use the curl enhancing smoothie before they do this step, but I'm just not, it's just not that deep. It's not that serious. Cause like at the end of the day, it's going in a fucking bun, and if you have curly hair, it's gonna look curly regardless. So I never really understood why people did that. So I'm just gonna go around with the, I took a larger band, and I kind of like when curls peep out. I think that's kind of cute. It's kind of cute or whatever. All right, you guys, we're all finished. Let me do a 360. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Like, comment, and subscribe to your girl Brown Barbie, and I'll see you in the next one.